Hey, what's up? Hello, how are you? Okay, now let's talk about 1966 No Mint Mark, Lincoln Penny. First, let's read what is written on the coin. In God we trust, Liberty 1966. At the reverse of the coin, United States of America, E pluribus unum. FG, the designer's initial, 1 cent, and the Lincoln Memorial. Okay, now, let's find out the value or the price of a 1966 no mint mark Lincoln penny in top condition. Yeah, in top condition or the most valuable. The most valuable in top condition. Okay, here we go. A 1966 penny is worth about 2 cents, even in worn condition. A typical uncirculated 1966 penny is worth around 10 cents to 20 cents apiece, while the most valuable 1966 no mint mark Lincoln penny to have ever sold at auction was graded MS67RD by Professional Coin Grading Service and took $6,463 in a 2012 auction. Wow, $6,463 for 1966 no mint mark Lincoln penny graded MS67RD by PCGS. Okay, that's all. I hope I was able to provide some information for coin collecting and have a great day. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe.